5 vitamins that can heal your kidneys naturally. 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C can aid in healing the kidneys by protecting them from injuries caused by external factors, reducing inflammation, kidney injury, oxidative damage, and also facilitating repair after damage occurs. Studies have shown that vitamin C treatment can shorten the repair time needed for the kidneys and increase antioxidant levels to protect against renal injury. Vitamin C acts by removing reactive oxygen-free radicals and preventing the accumulation of oxidation products, contributing to the stability of the body's metabolism and maintaining a healthy internal environment. However, individuals with kidney disorders should be cautious with their vitamin C intake, as high levels of vitamin C may lead to the accumulation of oxalate in the kidneys, potentially causing kidney stone formation. 2. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex, particularly certain B vitamins like B9, folic acid, and B12, may have potential benefits for kidney health. Studies suggest that vitamin B may help delay the progression of diabetic kidney disease by inhibiting vascular inflammation and protecting against renal injury. Vitamin B9 or niacin may also assist in slowing rising phosphorus levels in individuals with kidney disease on dialysis, as excess phosphorus can be harsh on the kidneys and lead to further damage. 3. Vitamin D. Vitamin D complex supports kidney health by addressing deficiencies and imbalances that arise in chronic kidney disease, CKD. Specifically, vitamin D helps maintain normal calcium and phosphorus balance, prevents secondary hyperparathyroidism, and regulates the renin-angiotensin system. Additionally, vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties and can improve renal function and overall clinical outcomes in patients with CKD. However, it is essential to monitor vitamin D levels carefully in individuals with kidney diseases, as excessive vitamin D consumption can lead to complications such as hypercalcemia and calciphylaxis. 4. Vitamin E. Vitamin E, specifically alpha-tocopherol, may contribute to kidney healing by mitigating oxidative stress and inflammation. Research suggests that vitamin E can reduce glomerulosclerosis, restore renal neuronal nitric oxide synthesis, and suppress oxidative stress in experimental models. 5. Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in kidney health by contributing to the prevention of calcification and supporting bone and cardiovascular health in individuals with CKD. Poor vitamin K status has been associated with an increased risk of calcification in CKD patients, highlighting the importance of maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin. Vitamin K, particularly K2, is essential for the synthesis of proteins involved in calcium transport, preventing calcium deposition in blood vessels and mobilizing calcium from bone tissues, thus playing a pivotal role in maintaining vascular health and bone strength. While further research is needed to fully elucidate the impact of vitamin K supplementation on CKD outcomes, ensuring optimal vitamin K status through dietary sources, and possibly supplementation, may offer benefits for kidney health. While these vitamins may support kidney function, it is essential to consult a healthcare provider before taking any new vitamins, especially for individuals with kidney issues, to ensure the appropriate supplementation and avoid potential adverse effects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing it with others to show your support and help the content reach a wider audience. Also, feel free to tell us what topic you want us to cover next in the comments section below. See you in the next one.